Hello guys, my people, welcome to my channel. Guys, this exercise I want to show you now is exercise that you can do at home.
Hello guys, this is a pro exercise, how to become a pro, how to train like a pro inside your house at home without any equipment. So guys, this exercise is very good for your body. So join me.
First of all, you got to stay like this. You got to stay like this. Then you go 2, 3, 4, 5. All the whole exercise, we do it 5, 5. Then you change. Stay like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the whole exercise, you do it. Then 5. All this exercise, you do it. It helps. Try to push something. Then you relax. Then the other one, you go this side. Then you relax. Then you go this one. Then you relax, you change. Then you relax. Then you try to touch your knee. Then you touch your knee. Then you relax. Then you try to pick something up here. Try to bounce before you pick something. Then you try to do like this. Then you can change again. You are doing like this, then you can change to the other side. Guys, this is an effective exercise that you can do at home to burn belly fat, to lose weight, all in one. With this exercise, it's simple, but it's effective. Make sure you do like, subscribe, share it to your friends to see. Let's go to another one, guys. Stay tuned, watch all my videos, subscribe.